Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 100, Dead. This is another one of those lateral thinking puzzles that I've been uploading on a regular basis, and the reason I keep uploading them is I've been getting great feedback which tells me that you're enjoying them, so I will be uploading them on a regular basis. So let's see how we go with this puzzle. Here we go. I have 4 fingers and 1 thumb, but I am dead. What am I? A clue will be given on the next slide. Good luck with it and all the best. So I'll leave this on for about 2 minutes. So please try and persist with it. Don't go to the clue just yet. Try and solve it first, and I will go to the clue in 2 minutes' time. Okay, as promised, here is your clue if you need it. Let's see how we go with this clue if you haven't solved it. And if you have, congratulations. Here we go with the clue. I have 4 fingers and 1 thumb, but I am dead. What am I? And the clue is, it fits. Hope that clue helps you. The answer's on the next slide, and I will go to that answer in 1 minute's time, but I think you might solve it with that clue. Okay, I hope that clue helped you to solve the puzzle. Let's have a look at the answer on the next slide. I have 4 fingers and 1 thumb, but I am dead. What am I? The answer, a glove. Makes sense, doesn't it? Because the clue said it fits. I hope you enjoyed that one, and because of the great feedback you've been giving me, I'll be uploading more of these in the future. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and we'll go there right now.